Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the new ShaylaxColourpop collaboration. I had got the whole collection, which consists of the eyeshadow palette. Here's what it looks like. Pretty. 2 loose highlighters. 2 loose powder highlighters. Here's one of them. This is Boomin right here. It's more of like a yellow golden. And then I have Pose right here, and it's more of like a copper, just copper. It also comes with 3 Luxe lipsticks. So is it focusing? So this, I don't know if it's focusing. Okay, so this shade right here is called Come On Sis. This shade here is, I don't know what shade this is. Oh. This shade right here is called Ooh, and this shade right here is called Quickie. I'm more leaning towards these 2 for me. This one is like in the middle, like I might wear it but I might not, but these 2 I probably will wear like most of the time. Come On Sis and Quickie. And then there's also an ultra glossy lip right here. Swatch. Well, you can't even see that. And this is the swatch of the lip gloss, glossy lip. It's pretty. But I also have to say that I really like the packaging of this. It's pretty dope. It's like legit, I'm not gonna lie. I just want to say congratulations for it, and like I said, it's affordable too. That's another plus. But yeah, let's just get on with a makeup look. So I'm going to take the shade Thic right here and use that as my transition shade. I really like Colourpop's products. I usually use their lipsticks, their liquid lipsticks, and I was happy when they came out with the Luxe lipsticks because I really like those. I have a lot of Colourpop's lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, the Luxe lipsticks, the glossy lips. Like that's really the only brand that I have like a lot of lipsticks in is Colourpop's. And then I just started getting into their like other products, like their eyeshadow palette. The next shade I'm going to go into is the shade right here called Revenge. And I'm going to put that, I'm going to use this to deepen out the shade Thic a little bit. Seen her release video, I was like, yes. I was like, and it's with Colourpop too, because they're affordable. So I was like, yes, something I can buy. No, I'm just playing. I'm gonna take the shade Played Out right here, and that's the shade. Just to add a little bit more dimension. So I'm just going in like very lightly. I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush to kind of like blend. Kind of like smoke it out a little bit. So I'm gonna take some concealer to try to, I don't know. Okay, so I don't even know if I did this right, but we gonna go work with it. I don't know what I want to do. Do I want to do green? Do I want to do stuff? Okay, so I'm gonna do okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here called September, right there. Put that where I put the concealer. Just took some of Thic and Revenge to kind of blend at the top of the to blend out that line that's at the top, so it can kind of merge together. And then I just took some of Played Out to kind of merge these two shades, this side together. Okay, so I tried to get them to look as even as possible. So I'm gonna take the shade 14 right here. I don't know how y'all be doing this, but my eye. Went on to highlight because I already did everything else. So I'm gonna take the loose highlighting powder in the shade Boomin. Put it on. Oh no! So I'm gonna take the Luxe lipstick in Come On Sis. I just took some of Quickie to put just a little bit in the middle, and then just, you know, mush my lips together to kind of spread it out just a little bit and go like this. And then I'm just going to take some of the Glossy lip just to put it on top. But instead of me putting the wand on my lip, I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoy me doing this makeup look using the ShaylaxColourpop collaboration. I think everything turned out pretty good. I really love the palette. I love the colors in there. I really do like the loose highlighters. Even though, you know, it was my first time using them, so I was kind of like iffy about. The lipstick's cool, like I said though, in the beginning. I will pull towards more of Quickie and Come On Sis. I really like this collaboration because also it's because it's affordable, so I think it's good. And I know that lashes make the look more better, or like it brings it up, but I don't know how to put on lashes, and I feel like they're uncomfortable for me, so I'll just stick with my natural lashes, and I just hope I find like the right mascara. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.